The piston ring seals the piston to the cylinder. The seal allows for pressure in the cylinder when the gun is fired. This pressure drives the piston down the cylinder. Over time, the piston ring will wear and the seal will be lost. This can cause the driver to lose power or not drive at all. Replacing the piston ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. And now I can remove the driver unit. With the driver removed, now I can remove the old piston ring. And install the new. Now I can reinstall the driver. You'll notice there's a rib on one side of the driver. The rib should align towards the rear of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap seal and the cap. And that's all it takes to replace the piston ring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.